the freshest kicks in the group.
They're new. They have more cushioning than my last two.
And they only cost $170, and they're only going to fall apart in 2 weeks.
Yay!
So yesterday, Vermont got hit with like historic flooding.
Tonight, raging rivers. From record-breaking storms bringing new danger to millions.
But I'm just worried that, like, you know, how's it going to affect the Camino de Appalachian or the infrastructure? Like, am I not going to get burgers in Vermont? Goodbye, room 134.
Bye.
Onward to trail eventually.
Oh, Nick, what do you think that building is going to be?
A Starbucks.
Ah, that's what he gets too. I guess a Dunkin' Donuts, and we asked the guy yesterday. It's going to be a Dunkin' Donuts.
Ooh, fuck. Historic Lexington, where nothing bad ever happened in the past.
Nothing.
Stonewall Jackson's house is here, and they think that that's cool.
What do you mean we think that's cool?
Stonewall Jackson's house is down there. Super not? Yeah, the Jackson house.
Store called
What do
Appalachian
you think
Sage.
about that, huh? What do you think about that, bro?
I was looking at the store called Appalachian Sage, man. You're talking about your California sage all the time.
Yeah, weed's cool, dude.
Yeah, weeds.
Right here we have Stonewall Jackson's house. He was named Stonewall because he was dumb as a fucking wall.
Loser.
It's the loser hotel. Fucking idiot can win. Big loser. Big trader, big loser.
General, are we surrendered?
Yes, my man. You are surrendered.
Hey, loser!
This feels like all old and colonial. Kind of reminds me of Philadelphia or, yeah, Philadelphia.
Special effects with the coffee lager, and then I have athletic cream wave, which is a hazy IPA.
Yeah. Full 360. Waffle wedge. He's got the freshest kicks in the group. The freshest kicks in the group.
They're new. They have more cushioning than my last two.
And they only cost $170, and they're only going to fall apart in 2 weeks.
Yay!
Herr Lingonberger Pancakes.
Oh Mann, wenn ich da an Pfannkuchen in Bremen denke.
Ja, was ist dann
Das
mit?
ist einfach besser, da ist richtige Butter dran, nicht so ein Scheißfleisch, das schmeckt so ranzig und kacke hier, Mann, das ist ganz scheiße.
Oh, I get all the bags and you can throw them back the little rooms. Sure. Thanks so much, man. Oh, man, I know it's hot, too. Oh,
Ha.
yeah. Yeah, we'll definitely be able to fit in there.
Watch the camera, bro.
Sorry. Oh, thanks.
We can drink it together and smoke some weed before we hit.
Okay, all right. You're at hunting season. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. TC, thank you so much, my man. This is a huge help.
No problem, dude.
I like it, yeah.
TC, thank you so
No
much.
problem.
Boom.
Peace out. Oh, yeah, 0.566.
Oh, hell yeah.
Nice.
Magical lighting.
Dude, that fucking the headshot for it, dude.
That was a close one, ladies and gentlemen. Unfortunately, in every contest, there must be a loser. The who, the her.